For building a web page or web pages, we need two technologies. First, HTML stands for Hypertext Markup Language. Did you see? And second is CSS, Cascading Style Sheet. What is that? HTML for base and structure of a web page, and CSS is how HTML elements should be displayed or styling for coloring, something like that. What is that HTML? We can open any editor. For example, for this tutorial I use Notepad++, and after that we can write that syntax. Which syntax? From here to here. HTML is the root of any web page we want to create it. Head for metadata we put here, and title for what we, for example, for this example, page title. For browser title, name is a page title, and whatever we create inside of the web page, we put inside of the body. And it is so important we use any menu bar, image, paragraph, any things we use between tag body and slash body. Here you can see there's some description about the HTML. We see in the last page. What's that? The HTML tag element is a root element of any HTML page. Head elements contain meta information. Title elements specify title for the HTML page, and body I told you is so important element with all of the visible content, and H1 is a heading and P is a paragraph. For example, for this page I use the body tag. Inside of the body, what you can see, any page or any website you can go, you see the menu bar. What is that? That is a menu bar. You can see the heading, that is the heading, and you can see the some image, but you can see the images and some bar, navigation bar, the right side of the page, and whole of the web page you can see here visible for users is inside of the body. Now we want to start writing the coding, very simple code, and create the first your web page. We go to editor. I use the Notepad++. You can go to that link and find and download the Notepad++. The version is 789. After you download it and open it in the, for example, my operating system is Windows, and writing that code, very simple, that code. Started with tag HTML, finish for HTML and body and head and title. For my page, I created the title of the page is a demo. The body, what is you can see inside the website, inside the body. Inside of the heading, you can see the bolding text, and the paragraph you can see some text. As I mentioned in the last page, we have a head one is a bold text. You can see head one demo. You can see in the web page something like that. The bold text. Inside of the paragraph, you can see some text coming here, and whole of the body, you can see whole of the web page is here. We write inside of the body, included of the head, images, and text. For this specific example, just we use the head and paragraph. And for title, I use demo for first web page. I use that title we put in the head tag. You can see the result, the first web page we created here, included of the some heading, the bold text, some paragraph inside of the tag P, and also title and name of the file. When you go to the Notepad++, you write that code starting with HTML and finish with /HTML tag. After that, you need to save it, and when you save it, you some whatever name. I use a demo, but the important thing is put a point after that HTML. That is because it's an HTML page. You need to use the format HTML. For writing HTML syntax, you need to use any editor. For this tutorial, I use Notepad++. After downloading and open it, you write that code starting from HTML and HTML/HTML tag. So important, the blue tag is a keyword. You need to write it, but the black tag, black text, you can change it whatever you want to create it to your web page. That is the heading, that is a bold text inside of the head. Start with head one and finish for /head, and the paragraph, whatever you want to create in your web page, you put inside of the P. But it's so important you see here inside the body whatever you want to user see in your web pages. And the title, whatever you see the up of your browser. The most important thing is after you created that code, go to the file and save it, whatever name you want. For example, demo first page 2. But the important thing is the format is HTML. The HTML is so important because it's an HTML file. You need to open it in some browser, for example Chrome, and save it. And when we want to open it, you can see it here. It's the same as a Chrome, whatever browser you. After that, you can click on the file name. You can see your first page you created. The demo, here is the heading, the bold text we inserted the tag head, and the paragraph we insert the tag P, and the file name coming is here, and the title coming inside here. The inside of the title coming is here.